My name is Penny Morel. I'm a professor of immunology at the University of Pittsburgh, and I've been working in immunology since 1983, and I became fascinated by immunology during my medical school and carried on from there, really. During my medical school, there was a lecture by Sir Macfarlane Burnet, who is the famous immunologist who developed the clonal selection theory, and he came to our medical school and gave a lecture, and that was really fascinating to me. And from then on, I became really interested in immunology. And then in my fourth year of medical school, we got to do a research project, and I went to the WHO lab in Geneva in Switzerland and worked on immune complexes, and again found it very fascinating. How have I personally contributed? I have worked in several areas of immune regulation and in, I guess, genetic association for autoimmune diseases. I've been particularly interested in autoimmune diseases, and one of the things that we identified was the role for dendritic cells in inducing immune regulatory pathways to prevent autoimmune diabetes. One of the big advantages of coming to the AAI conference is to network with people that you don't see on a regular basis. I've been a regular attendee of AAI conferences for many years. I think the first one I went to was probably in 1985. I would think, something like that. And I've been to many since then, and it's always a great place to meet old colleagues, to reconnect with people that we were postdocs together or collaborators, and also to make new connections. What do I love most about what I do? Well, it's always changing. The fascinating thing about immunology is that you're always doing something different, and the research can take you in many different directions. So in my lab, we've worked on human autoimmune disease, we've cloned genes, we've used animal models, so it's an always changing environment. The great thing is to have great people, young scientists, come into the group and contribute their ideas and their excitement to the project. So that's been really cool.